Sometimes we forget that hot water comes from a water heater. If you need a water heater serviced or installed, call Brickell Water Heater Plumber of Miami at 305-253-0405 or check out our website at www.dickrocherplumbingofmiami.com, where you'll find more detailed information on water heaters. We install tank type and tankless water heaters. A.O. Smith, GE, Stiebel, Titan, Eemax, all major brands installed and serviced by us. Don't wait another moment. Call us now at 305-253-0405 or go to www.dickrocherplumbingofmiami.com.